Hello friends, welcome to the magical world of Photoshop, and today I'm going to show you how can we create a drop shadow in a Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to create a new document in a Photoshop. Now you can see the new created document, and then click the move tool and move the photos on the document, and then click the background image and then take gradient tool and select this gradient. Make sure gray has been selected, and then uncheck the reverse and paint over here. And now back to the second layer, go to the edit and then free transform. Make sure you click this icon. It could be fine. Okay, let's hit OK. Now make a copy of this layer and then select middle layer, and now press Ctrl T and then press the Ctrl key and rotate this image. It could be fine, and then hit OK. Now click the transparency lock button for lock the transparency, and then go to the gradient and select the third gradient, and click the reverse and then make a copy of this layer, and then choose the blend mode into multiply, and now select these two layers by holding a shift key and then press Ctrl G. And now it could be like this, and then right click and convert to smart object and change blend mode into multiply. And now go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then radius would be 1 pixel squared. It's fine, and hit OK. Now you can see the magic of Photoshop. The drop shadow has been created, and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So friends, meet you again in next video.